Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this lesson, I will discuss about reproduction in rabbit. Rabbits are mammals that are small mammals found in several parts of the world. They are used in research as experimental animals. Now I will discuss about male reproductive system. The male reproductive system of rabbit consists of testes, scrotum, epididymis, Cowper's gland, seminal vesicle, sperm duct that is vas deferens, urethra, anus, prostate gland and urinary bladder. First I will discuss about the function of testes. The male reproductive system of rabbit consists of a pair of testes that produce sperms, the associated ducts that transport sperm to external genitalia, and glands that add secretions to sperms. Testes are located in a bag of skin called the scrotum. So scrotum is the bag of skin that hangs below the body. Each testis consists of a mass of coiled tubes called the seminiferous tubules. In these tubules, the sperms are formed. When sperms are mature, they accumulate in the collecting ducts of testes and then pass to epididymis. From epididymis, sperms move to a sperm duct called vas deferens. Both sperm ducts join urethra just below urinary bladder. The urethra transports both sperm and urine. Semen is the material containing sperms in a fluid. It consists of 10% sperms and 90% fluid. As the sperms pass down the duct from testis to urethra, the associated gland add various secretions. Seminal vesicles produce secretions that provide nutrients for sperms. Prostate gland produces a secretion that neutralizes the acidity of the fluid, while the Cowper's gland produces secretions that lubricate the ducts. Did you know that rabbits re-ingest their own pellet-like feces to digest their food further and extract sufficient nutrients? Now I will discuss about female reproductive system. So here on your screen you are watching, there are fallopian tube, uterus horns, cervix, ovary, uterus wall, birth canal, opening of the urethra. So the female reproductive system of rabbit consists of ovaries and associated ducts. Ovaries are small oval organs situated in abdominal cavity just ventral to kidneys. Like most animals, female rabbits have a pair of ovaries. The outer region of ovary produce egg cells. A cluster of specialized cells called follicle surrounds and nourishes each egg cell. From ovaries, egg cells are released in fallopian tubes. The opening of fallopian tube lies close to the ovary. Fertilization occurs in fallopian tubes and the fertilized eggs, that is zygote, is carried to the uterus. The uterus of rabbit is divided into two separate parts or horns. The uterus horns join and open into vagina or birth canal. Cervix is the portion of uterus which separates it from birth canal where sperms of male are deposited. Now I will discuss about fertilization and development in rabbit. Rabbits can breed throughout the year, but male rabbits are commonly sterile during the summer months. Male rabbit deposits its sperms in the vagina, that is, birth canal of female. Sperms swim through cervix and uterus to fallopian tubes, where they fertilize the egg cells released from ovary. After fertilization, zygote is carried to the uterus. By this time, the zygote has started dividing and is now called embryo. The embryo is implanted in uterus walls. A connection called placenta is established between embryo and uterus wall.